Hello to everybody, my name is Edilza Montañez. As in this video, I'm going to talk about of the first task of the course of teaching English for specific purposes. This course presents excellent content for the improvement of the teaching work and the methods and didactic material for the teaching of the English language. Currently, the advancement of the technology has helped the transmission of knowledge through multiple application and educational platforms since we are in the digital age and the current student population is changing their likes and interests. If we want it and make an effort, we can achieve anything. At this moment, what I want most to improve my communication skill and my level of English. I also want to learn teaching methods and techniques that integrate my experience that they use the ICT and the new learning that I will obtain in this course. Because for me it's very important to know different techniques and resources, methodologies for transmit this information, transmit this teaching for the students. On the other hand, this course presents specific topics, language material, and propose to participate with the best attitude and interest in this course to improve my experience and learn new things and help me meet my expectation. The content of this course presents very important to improve the teaching work at the pedagogical action, science purpose, clear specific concepts of the teaching of English and adopts at the user-friendly approach in which theoretical consideration and balanced with a practical experience, in addition to the word in ESP, such as need analysis, course program, methodology, and teaching materials. And additional for this, personality, the learning to English was very difficult in this process, but I want to improve many skills. I want to improve my English level. I want to improve different things, learn many vocabulary, many skills as listening, writing, reading, and speaking. That is very important to continue with my career or my studies. Okay, it's all for this video, and thank you for your attention.